Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach about joins. This is the most important part of SQL, and joins is the most important topic in point of view of exams related and interview related too. In joins, we have if we talk about the types of join, then we have natural join, we have cross join, we have conditional join, where equijoin, self-join, and outer join are there. In our outer join, we have more further division, that is left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Today we are going to study each and every join with examples. Let's start with the cross join. What is cross join? Means let's just talk about join. Why we use join in SQL? Without join uh, we can't retrieve values from two tables which are connected with foreign keys and primary keys. Means one primary key is always used as a foreign key at the another table which joins the both table. If we talk about why we use join, if if question gave us two table, and and to give answer of that question, or to make any query for that question, if we need this both table at a time, then how can we use this both table at a time? So we have to join this both table and retrieve the answer, and this both table must be in a relation. We Let's suppose this have a id, and let d1 d2 d3, and this id must use another table as a foreign key. This If this is primary key, if this is primary key, then this must be used as a foreign key here. Here it must be used as a foreign key. Now, now let's talk about what is cross join. If I tell what is cross join, then let's suppose we have two tables. Like our table is one is employee table and one is department. One is employee table and one is department. Okay. Hmm. Then we have employee number, employee name, and employee address. Employee number, employee name, and employee address. And at another table we have department number, department name, and employee number which is used as the foreign key and which is the primary key at the employee table. This is a primary key here and this is a foreign key here. So with this employee number, these both table are related. So let's 1 2 3 4 5 5. Let's we take name of Ram, Syam, Dhoni, Kohli, and Dev. Okay. Now let's their address is in Delhi, Syam in Mumbai, Dhoni in Chennai, Kohli in Bangalore, and Dev in Sonpur. Okay. Then talk about department number. We can give department number D1, D2, D3, and D4. And departments we can give HR, IT, IT department, HR department, marketing department, and finance department. And employee number we can give one, two, four, and five. Like this, we can give employee number two. Like this, we can give employee number two. Now we have this two. We have this two table. Now, if I will say what is cross join, then if we join this both, like if I am writing um, select select anything, select dash from employee table, comma department table. Now this query how I written, this gives us the cross join. Means here we have Ram, and with Ram we will have this three thing, like one Ram Delhi, one Ram Delhi, one Ram Delhi, one Ram Delhi, and this four department tables values rows are come with this D1, HR, HR, Ward, D2, IT2, D3, Marketing 4, D4, Finance 5. So like this, I did the cross join with one row of employee table with the other rows of department table. Like this, we have to do cross join with all the rows of employee table with all the rows of department table, and we will get how many combination? We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 20 rows we will get, and from this we can get any type of value or any type of number we want, any type of data we want. From this we can know. And simple, this is very simple, that join means whatever we will go to study next, join means nothing but cross product cross product of that of cross product of two table, cross product of two table plus some condition, plus some condition. This is only join. We have to remember this cross product of two tables plus some condition, and with this condition, these all things will be uh, changed. So now we will study about natural join. What is natural join? Natural join is nothing. Natural join is just cross product, cross product plus cross product plus some condition, and and this some condition will decide what is natural gen. Some condition means the equal the equal primary key primary key and foreign key which were used which were used Mm, which means let's suppose we have two tables. What will be the table? One is employee table and one department table. Employee table, department table. And what will be the values of we will take one is employee number, name and address, and we will write 1 2 3 4 Ram, Kohli, Dhoni, and let's say Rajat. Kohli will address will be Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Madras. Let's suppose these are the address, and at department table we have attributes of department number, department name, and employee number. Employee number which must there because without this we can join to we can't join. So this will be the department number which is used as a primary key in department table, and HR, IT, marketing, and we will take this 1 2 and 4. Okay, now if we talk about natural join, what is natural join? Cross product. We have to find the cross product part. Let's suppose we have taken select employee name employee name and department department name from employee table, comma, department table, where employee table where employee table dot employee ID equal to department table dot employee number. This must equal. Hmm. Now from this query, what result we will get? First we have to do the cross product. See how I am finding the cross product. Your RAM and department name. RAM department names are HR, RAM department are IT, RAM, RAM department name are marketing, and your employee number 1 2 3 employee number, and their employee number is 1 2 and 4. Now another rundown. Now Kohli one one one, Kohli 2 2 2, Dhoni 3 3, Rajat 4 4, next Kohli, Dhoni, Rajat, and here will be HR department, IT department, marketing department, HR, IT, marketing, HR, IT, marketing, 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4. This is the actually cross product. This is cross product of two tables. Now, now in natural join we have to do in join only we have to do the cross product and some condition. So in natural join we did the cross product, and the condition is nothing but the eid of e table, employee table, and the employee number of department table, that must be equal. So now we will check eid of each. The eid of employee table is equal to the e number of department table. Yes, this is we can take. Now this eid of hmm, now we can see each this e number of employee table equal to e number of department table. No. So we cannot take this value. Now this also we can't take. This also we can't take. What e number of employee table and e number of department table is equal. So this value, this row we can take. This we can take. This we can take. This we can't take. This also we can't take. This we can't take. This we can't take. This we can take. So we get in output. What we got in output? We got one RAM, HR, one, two Kohli, IT. Two means Kohli is working in IT sector, Ram is working in HR sector, and Rajat is working in marketing sector. Marketing sector. So this we got in and output. So at the end, I will tell that we did it with cross join plus some condition. What we can write this as we can write this as select select. First we must not write the whatever we means what select one we must not write first, because first from always execute. So we have to write what executes in from. So we must write employee table cross department table. Now it will be cross gen. We should not write this. We will write select and what we want employee name and employee and where the employee is working. So we will take the employee name and department name. Department name from e table natural join with d table. And this query also gives us the same output, and this query is equal. Now let's move to the another part, and that is self join. What is self join? If somebody tells us, somebody, if we have a class, okay. Now we'll learn about self join. Suppose we have a class. We have a class, and at that class, all students have their student ID, and all students have taken many courses. So if I tell you, if I tell you, you have a table, you have a table, study table, you have a study table where you have student ID, course ID, and timeline from where when you have taken the course. Okay, so student ID S1, S2, S3, course ID is C1, C2, C3, and time 2016, 2017, whatever 2017, whatever. So if I tell how many students have taken at most, means at least two courses. How many students have taken at least two courses? This is the question. So if we have to find this, then how can we do? So first we have to think, means if we can see from here, means uh, uh, if we see this table, we can clearly visualize that S1 student, the student having S1 student ID is have taken C1 course and C3 course. S1 taken C1 course and C3 course. So we must give S1 in output. Okay. Now, now self join. Now, how can we find this? We should do the same thing again. Cross join plus some condition. Okay. Now we have single table. So how can we join this single table? With whom? Whom we will join? We have to join this table with itself only. We will make two variables and copy this table in that variable, and then with that two variable we will easily join them and find our answer. Okay. So if I write the um, uh, query, then query will be, and let's suppose I explain first. Let's suppose I given this table. I copied this table in the variable name T1 and T2. So here S1, S2, S1, C1, C2, C3. Uh, Now let's cross join this. Okay, let's cross join this T1 and T2. Let's cross join it. If I will cross join S1, S1, C1, C1, this with this three, then this with this three, and this with this three. Okay, so S1, C1, S1, C1, S1, C1, S2, C2, S1, C3, 1, okay, S2, 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 S3, S1, 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 S2, C2, C2, sorry, S2, C2, S2, C2, S1, C3, 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 S1, S2, S1, S1, S2, S1, C3, C1, C2, C3. This is time taking only cross product. We did the cross product. Now, now what we have to see how many means means give the student ID who have taken more than one course. Means who have to give the student ID who have taken more than one course. More than one course. Okay. So how we can do? First, we have to do the join first. Then see we can see S1 taken S1 C1 and C1. So we can take because this is same course only. We can take this. So this is out student different here. So this is also here same student but different course. So we can consider this different student. So this is called same student and same course also. So this is also called different student. So this is called different same student. Uh, Same student different course. So we can take this different student different course we can't take it in the same student same course so we can't take this so we got to know that if means this and this we can take means student id must same and course id must different. Okay, so we can write here that select we let means get empty this space empty then from what is our table name study table edge t1 with study table edge t2 we have did t1 and t2 where t1 student id is equal to t2 student id. Student ID must be same and T1 course ID must not equal to T2 course ID. Then we will get the result. This is the query. Now we will study about equation. What is equation? Equation is nothing but we will do cross product and then condition. And in this condition, we have to equalize the primary key. Just like just like natural join, just like natural join. So just like natural join but in natural join we have means we only write direct natural join means two table will be there and we used to write direct natural join but in equation we have to do the cross product and write the condition we have to do the cross product like let me write a query for you select select e-name from employee department. See, here we did the cross product. Here we did cross product, and now where em from employee table e number must equal to from department table e number and employee table address equal to department table location. Means here from two table we are equating the address and location, address of house and location of department, and employee number and from employee table and employee number from department table. This will give us a good output. It's just like natural jam. Now we are going to study about the outer join. So in outer join, we will study first the left outer join. What is left outer join? If this also cross product plus some condition, and here if I take the Venn diagram, then if this is two tables, then whatever will come common is there, but left after gen means whatever at the left table will also come. So we can write here means if we have two tables, then if we write write one table at left side of in my query, then that will be considered as left table, and other one will be considered as right table. So that left table will be in consideration. So here if we have two tables and we have to give all rows of left table, all rows of let table, not taking the right table in consideration. Means if there is no values in right table, means there is empty values for the rows in left table, then also um, we have to write the rows of left table. So let's suppose this is one table and this is one table. This is employee number, name, and location. One, two, three, four, Kohli, De Villiers, Virat, Sehwag, here, HR team, IT team, marketing team, finance team, D1, D2, D3, D4, 1, 3, 2, 4. Departmental. No. Okay. Then we can see, hmm, we can see here. Here we will, if we want to name and a department name, if we want to show name and department, and we will do left join. Then the things which are in common will come. Means Kohli, Kohli with employee number one, and they have employee number one with HR team. So Kohli with HR com, De Villiers with De Villiers will come with marketing team. Virat will come IT team, and and Sehwag will come fourth. So where is 4? Here is 4. So I will come with finance team. So I will come with finance team. Now what about that Dhoni? Dhoni will come. No, there is no 5 here. So Dhoni will be there. It will be null. But Dhoni must be there because Dhoni is in left table. So this will be the table. Because Dhoni is in the left table, so we will give priority to the left table's rows, and Dhoni will come. It will be null. It will be null. This is okay, but Dhoni will come. So we have to write like select the query. We have to write select um, mm, employee select employee table means name, select name from employee table. So you can write select employee name and department name from from where these two tables, and we are doing the left left outer join. We will write we will write from employee table left outer join with department table where here we have to department table. So here we have to write something like on for this thing. For this thing we have to write something, means we have to join this with their primary and foreign, that's on with bracket employee department number. We will take department number from employee, means we will take if this is department number, if this is employee number and this is employee number, then we write employee, say employee number is equal to employee number from department. Now now this will come like this, and due to left outer join this will be. So same for right outer join, same for right outer join. There will be right table things will take in consideration more than left thing. Like this we can see in Venn diagram. This will be right, right one will be taken in consideration. This is left one, this is right one. Right one will take in consideration. Like this, right outer join will be there. So we can wrap up our join session here. Thank you.